Today's video is part of a collaboration that I did with Upcycled by Bree and Stella Rose Boutique. We each thrifted for one another and sent each other a little surprise. Be sure to click the link below to watch the full playlist. You'll want to watch all of these videos. It is 17 degrees here in Madisonville and we are getting weather, so I'm running up here to the Goodwill and hoping that we can find something to send to Rachel for our collaboration video. Let's see.
Hey, what about this box? Oh my god, it's a series of boxes. Pull it out. Because I think she's gonna be decoupaging. So what do you think about that? Maybe? That's a maybe. Alright, let's hold on to it.
I'm super excited. I just got in my box from Upcycled by Bree. Thrifted surprise, she said. So I'm about to open it and we're gonna see what she sent me. Oh, wow, okay. She sent me, all right. She's told me that she was gonna stalk me on my Instagram and try to challenge me and get something that she thought I wouldn't get. So here we go. But how do you get rid of this awesome rust? Like, look at the rust on this. The patina. Oh my gosh, the chippy goodness. Like, this is going to be very, very challenging. I'm gonna have to put my thinking cap on. Let's see what we come up with. So in this video, you're gonna see a lot of my husband and my daughter because I was actually sick this week. My husband was sick first. He got me sick and he had the flu and then he got me sick. And so I had to get the video done, you know? You can't stop, you gotta keep going. So we made it happen and I enlisted their help, and so I'm grateful for them. This is a major collaboration and I am grateful for everyone coming together to help me get this done. I had thought about attaching this to an old window and upcycling the window maybe with some iron orchid design transfer and then putting that underneath and having it holding something. I didn't want it to necessarily be floral because it is a window planter and I wanted to do something totally different and unexpected with it. And I finally came up with an idea, and this is the first thrift flip that I've ever done that I did not paint or do anything expected, I guess you could say. Stay tuned to see how we change this up.
So Mom's not feeling good and she asked Noonie and I to go to Lowe's and get her hooks. So Noonie's not here yet. I don't know what he's doing. But you're gonna come along with us to go get some hooks.
My ideas and my husband's ideas are always very, very vastly different. And so I knew that I was going to get what I got and I couldn't throw a fit.
So we're in a dilemma because Mom wants to keep it rustic, but he does not know how to keep it rustic without the... So this is what he is looking at, these hooks.
I'm so excited about doing this collaboration with Bree and Rachel. I love collaborations because I love helping other women, helping people, and being a part of something bigger that's not just about me, but it's just about like helping one another and seeing what each other can do and egging each other on. And it's just so rewarding to be able to do that. And so I'm super excited. So make sure that you go ahead and you follow the playlist, number one. And number two, go ahead and subscribe to their channels if you haven't already. They have great content. They are my DIY paint sisters, Sweet Pickins Milk Paint. Rachel also does Iron Orchid Design and Roycycled, and Bree does, and Rachel, they both do JRV. So we're all in it together, and I just love that we can support one another and be a part of the same team. It's not about competition, it's about helping one another, and I love it. But I also love helping small local businesses, and one of my friends, Nathan, has a business. I actually did his logo, and I have some of his things, and he is a great leather workman. I believe you call that a tanner. I should know. But anyway, I want you to see what he did to help me with my project. He's also an amazing welder. He's very talented. So Ari and Nathaniel took the hook and the basket over to Nathan at his shop, and the hooks that Nathaniel brought were aluminum and they cannot be welded. So Nathan does what Nathan does best, and he came up with something to help me out, and I am so grateful. Is it just me, or does this feel like a PBS special? But I'm telling you, this is super interesting. It's so exciting to watch someone do something that they're so good at. And I'm so grateful to Nathan. I can't say that enough. He really saved the day.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush. When I'm with you, I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane.
I hope that you are enjoying this video. Please be sure to like and comment and help me by subscribing if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can receive notifications every time I upload a video. So here it is. I had wanted to put drop cloth inside of it and kind of just cut it out and have it as a basket insert, so to speak. But I didn't like the way that it looked, and I had a whole bolt of burlap, and I put that in there, and I just loved that combination. But then I also thought, if you have it by your back door, you could put keys, your hat, different things on there that you want to take with you on your way out the door. And so it could be really versatile. What would you put inside this basket?
So I think I'm gonna get this. Rachel is super crafty. I got to go to her house, in October? Is that when we went to Tennessee? And I saw her set up. I think you may have seen the video. My hat's kind of wonky. So anyway, she has all the tools and everything, and I can see that this clock is, the little second hand is off, but I know that she can fix this. So I'm excited to see what she's gonna do with it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you would look at thrifted items in a different way, and I hope that you will try something, whether it's on my video or Rachel's or Bree's. Don't forget to subscribe and also to click that link below to watch the videos after you finished with this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredibly blessed day.